Hi all, welcome to post market report of Zebu school. So in the morning, as we seen, market was trying to hold the zone which I said, but only thing is what has happened at the closing is Nifty closed 15,413, Bank Nifty closed around 32,845. So Nifty is down for the day roughly 225 points. So yesterday there was a rise of almost 300 points and almost 80% of the whatever the bullishness or the price action we have seen is gone now. So even for the Bank Nifty, some of Bank Nifty is holding on to at least half of the gains which has made it yesterday. So but still 32,845 is the closing, and moreover VIX. So VIX is trading around 21.3. So for the day up for 0.75%. And remember, tomorrow is the weekly expiry, right? So what I feel is, so even I said for next 4 to 5 days, okay, so this is the key level which I am trying to always use. Okay, so what I feel is tomorrow being an expiry day might be, because now this level is holding in both, this level is holding, so exactly it is holding. So what I feel is somehow tomorrow, if any global pressure is there, okay, some kind of global pressure from either from the US market or like our peers, like Asian peers, if at all, if this is going to break down, then obviously from here it can come down. But only thing is tomorrow expiry, so most probably I feel like looking at today's price action, so obviously tomorrow can be a small gap down. Okay, so gap down somewhere around 340 to 350, this is what I am expecting, but I do not have any much positions. So if at all tomorrow is a gap down, then again as a structure wise I said it has taken resistance here and will try to form the retest of the earlier bottom, so whichever it has made. So we cannot call it as a bottom, it is only the swing point. Okay, so I expect to be a retest point, and if at all, if this is going to be the bottom for a short term, so we need to have a kind of positive divergence, right? So market has made 5200, so might be it can test like this, okay, even make a lower low, and at that time on a daily chart or a little higher frame chart we need to have some kind of positive divergence. Okay, but that is only to have the market is bottomed or not. So not for the trading purpose I am saying. So what I am expecting is there is a high chance that on tomorrow expiry, if the pressure is continued from the global peer or from the expiry point of view, then there is a possibility that this can be again tested. Okay, so from there again what I would suggest is, if at all, if I get tomorrow or day after tomorrow this level or somewhere around 15250 to 15280 level, then I will be booking completely my shorts. Okay, the morning itself I said I booked half of my shorts, only small things I have kept it open. Okay, that is very nominal size when compared to the normal trading size. Okay, so what I expect is, I expect a slight gap down tomorrow, because looking at the price structure and moreover looking at the FII numbers which we have been seeing from the last almost 3 months. So like every day they are coming and selling more than 1000 crore. So even I generally follow DI and FI net inflows only. So whether it's a net inflow or net outflow. So again seems to be like based on today action, it's going to be a net outflow, I guess. So tomorrow we'll come to know whether that's a net outflow or it's a net inflow. Obviously this should be net outflow, but what is the quantity of the net we need to see. So it will get updated in the evening around 6:30 to 7 o'clock. So tomorrow we will just review that. So as a part of like next 4 to 5 days view, so again I am trying to only use this, and these are all the swing points which I just marked as a blocks. Okay, so in between I will be playing a kind of very small volumes. Okay, might be if at all, if there is breaking and then tomorrow it is going to retest, and if there is a data confirmation in the sense from option data confirmation, if I see some kind of again pressure from the gap down, if at all, if it is going to gap down and there is a rise, then I might be selling on this rise also, provided tomorrow if I have a data suggesting that it can be sold. So otherwise I will not be jumping anything. So as soon as if we praise the pressure for tomorrow, then I will be booking my entire shorts, and then we'll be waiting for expiry to get over. Okay, because what I feel is during always expiry the pressure will come in, and most probably like if you look at the price action again, longs will be trapped heavily. I think last 2 days longs might have trapped heavily, so there could be a pain for them for tomorrow's expiry. I feel this is the way. So if at all, if there is a pain, then obviously the yesterday's low or day before yesterday's low will be tested. So at that place might be I'm thinking of taking small long positions, but provided I have always make to ensure that my risk is in good control, because very next day it can gap down another 400 to 500 points. So this is what we've been seeing. Every bottom is retesting and immediately the next day it is cracking like anything. So we need to take care about that also. So that is the main reason, like you need to know more about strategies and risk management. So I'll be playing only in that front and more often. And again, next week will be the last week of monthly expiry. So the pressure will try to continue. So whatever rise we are going to see from my side, unless and until it is supported by the data, I expect to form a short term bottom. So when around this level, yesterday when it was forming this level, even we have given lively that this could be a short term for another 1 or 2 days. So obviously, and luckily also the same place, from there we got almost more than roughly we got 300 points, and again I expect another 40 to 50 points to drop. If at all, if there is a gap down opening, then might be booking it everything. So from my side, that is an update, and use this level only and try to remember this level only, because this is the key level I am trying to put in, and this is the logic why I am expecting a little sell off, because over the period of complete month, market is in pressure. Okay, not only for the complete month. If you look at last 2 to 3 months, every time during the last week of expiry, market is sending pressure. Only at the last 1 or 2 days there might be some kind of short covering we are seeing. If at all, if there is a short covering, then at least this level needs to be taken out, okay, to term it as a fresh new leg of, because that is a very recent high which I have seen. So and that too with a kind of price action. So if you look at it, seems to be like one bullish candle, and again 50%, more than 50% of that candle has taken down in the downside. So that means a short term top is there. So it needs to trade above this level in case if you wanted to have an optimism about the bullish view. So that's it from my side as an update, and hope this numbers and this logics will help you. And thanks for watching this video. So do join us on tomorrow's market opening report. Till then, signing off, Damodharan.